Tell the world that I'm coming home. Let the rain wash away all the pain of yesterday. I know my kingdom waits. They've forgiven my mistakes. I'm coming home, coming home. Tell the world that I'm coming
Jackson,
and
stop.
tell them I'm just too far from where you are. I wanna go home.
Another summer day is coming, gone away. Paris and Rome, but I wanna go home. Maybe surrounded by a million people, I still feel all alone. Just wanna go home. Baby, how are you? Well, I would send them, but I know that it's just not enough. My words were cold and flat, and you deserve more than that. Another airplane, another sunny place. I'm lucky, I know, but I wanna go home. Oh, I got to go home. Let me go home. I'm just too far from where you are. I wanna go home. And I feel just like I'm living someone else's life. It's like I just stepped outside and everything's going right. And I know just why you could not come along with me. 'Cause this was not your dream, but you always believed in me. I know the winter day has come and gone away, and even Paris and Rome, and I wanna go home. I got to go home. Oh, and I'm surrounded by a million people. I still feel alone. Let me go home. Oh, I miss you, you know. Let me go home. I had my run, baby, I'm done. I wanna go home. Let me go home. It'll all be alright. I'll be home tonight. I'm coming back.